Hi everyone, welcome back to another episode of Technologyglance. In this video, I'm going to guide you through how you can report a pin as self-harm on Pinterest. So, let's get started. Watch till the end and don't forget to subscribe to Technologyglance by hitting the subscribe button and press the bell icon so that you'll never miss another update. Without further ado, let's get started. First of all, open the Pinterest app on your device. Now, open the pin which you want to report. After that, tap on the little three dots icon. Then, select the report option. Here, you can find an option called self-harm. Tap on it and then again select the report button. And that's it. This is how you can report a pin as a self-harm on Pinterest. Thanks for watching. If you found this guide helpful, we will love it if you hit the thumbs up button below. We upload great new tech tutorials like this one every day. So, don't forget to subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon to get an update as soon as we post a video.